Police Chief Stephen Ignacio confirms an officer has popped positive. Although he could not disclose what the officer tested positive for, GPD did confirm the officer is from Hagat Precinct. An internal affairs investigation has been launched and the officer has been placed on administrative leave. This positive test came about after 75% of the Guam Police Department to include uniformed personnel and test designated positions such as criminalists and evidence property officers were randomly selected for drug testing on May 15th. According to Ignacio, the last testing was done sometime right before the COVID pandemic.
This was something that we've been working on with Department of Administration for well over a year.
As KUAM reported, it was back in April when a longtime officer also assigned to Hagat Precinct tested positive for meth and a glass pipe was found in one of the patrol vehicles during a shift change. When asked for an update on that IA investigation,
So that case is ongoing at this point. Following that, we also did a drug sweep of all our precincts, as I reported in our oversight hearing. And there was no discovery of any drug or drug paraphernalia within the precincts. Following that, we also did our random drug testing, and actually this was something that we've been working on with Department of Administration for well over a year.
when asked about the status of other IA investigations to include the federal online gambling case, which named an officer and the initials of 3 others, Ignacio said all the cases are still within the 90-day time frame and are actively being investigated. Jonah Charfris, KUAM News.